I'm not going back to Auntie Karen's house. She be wondering why me and Tamika like to stand in the kitchen as much as I want to beat her ass. I see why she stands in the kitchen. Ghosts and all that can't cross running water. Where the fuck you think the pipes are at? Oh, shit. It's all good in the kitchen when you being a chef. Legally and illegally. Oh, shit. Regardless, you want in the trap house or not. An abandoned house. It's being foreclosed by the bank. Still got up in it some type of way type shit. This is crazy. These bitches is out of pocket. Now demons can't cross running water. Ghosts be on top of water floating around and shit. That's when you really need the Bible. Ghosts are worse. Little that you know. A demon, all you need is sunlight and some water. HC Cynthia gotta go to work. I'm going to church in a minute. When Sundays slide through. Yeah, all you need is water and some sunlight for a demon. That's easy. We on that demon slayer type shit. These bitches is out of pocket. They be they be cursing the water, the perfume and shit. Damn. Chew! Damn. Chew! Thank you. I had to bless some water and put it in my spray bottle and spray it everywhere. Gotta bomb this motherfucker. Chew! Grandma's house always been haunted. All you gotta do is burn some sage. That's Nakino, the next door praising the Dark Lord. And then Auntie Jackie slide through with that dumb shit. Auntie Cynthia goes to church. Thank you, God. Yeah, I met that terrorist dude Gaddafi. Come on, let's go get some of this money. I'm like, shit, I kind of did want to get some money, but shit. You ain't about to get me shot at. I never get shot at. Oh, shut up. If cousin all them hooked up with EBK and shit like that, and they get shot at, and they the most biggest crack dealers in the country, yeah, you could get shot at if they do.